Canada. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the co-op programs available in Canada. Most of the time, the undergraduate or the postgraduate students in Canada tend to apply for courses where they can get practical fieldwork related to their studies. These are the reasons why co-op programs in Canada are a trend nowadays. But what exactly is a co-op program? Co-op or a cooperative education is one of the best program systems in Canada, through which the students get real-world experience while pursuing their studies. A co-op program is a three-way partnership between a university, employer and student. It is like a paid internship where students earn around $12 to $15 per hour. This ample amount would help them to meet their monthly household expenses. This program also helps you understand the kind of job you are looking for once you graduate. Co-op programs follow an alternative pattern, meaning one semester of schooling alternates with one semester of work. That is, under the co-op program, you will alternate between 5 months of schooling and 5 months as a full-time employee of the organization you work for. In Canada, almost all universities offer a co-op option with their academic programs. The campuses even have co-op teachers who encourage the students to work and also help them by coordinating with the employers to offer placements to the students. Now, let's look at the eligibility criteria for co-op education. As an international student, you need the following eligibility criteria list. Updated student visa. Some years of work experience are required to complete your study program in Canada. As part of your program, you need to complete work placements to graduate and you have a letter from your school confirming this. Your co-op placement makes up 50% or less of your academic program. Now let's take a look at the merits and demerits of the co-op program. The merits are that you can earn money which can be used to pay your tuition fees. The co-op program will help you discovering your area of interest, your strengths and weaknesses in the workplace. The program will help you improve your interview skills and also to build your work portfolio. This also helps you to develop interpersonal as well as intrapersonal skills. Coming to demerits, you won't have enough time in college to take part in extracurricular activities. You might have to put in extra effort to perform well in your academics due to time constraints. What are the top universities for co-op programs in Canada? Number 1, University of Waterloo. Number 2, University of Ottawa. Number 3, University of Victoria. Number 4, Centennial College. Number 5, University of British Columbia. We understand that most of the students are often confused about the major differences between co-op programs and internships. Well, here we are to tabulate the differences. Co-op programs mostly comprise full-time jobs, whereas internships can either be part-time or full-time. Students are paid full-time salaries under co-op programs, but internships can either be paid or unpaid. Under co-op, a student works for fixed time of bond, while internships allow students to work flexibly. The students get an extensive amount of work experience under co-op jobs. But since the internships are usually 2 to 3 months, the work experience is less. So on a final note, the co-op program will prepare students for their specialization by giving them hands-on experience in that field. Additionally, this form of education helps international students with future career options. I hope that this was helpful for you guys. Please subscribe to GyanDhan for more such videos and tap the bell icon to get all the notifications from GyanDhan channel. Thank you.